Good morning, students. Once again, a very warm welcome to today's class. How are you all? Hope everyone's healthy at their homes. Good. So, continuing with the studies, we were on the poem 3. That the explanation of the poem was done in the previous class, and today it's the time to do the word meanings and question answer, that is to discuss the PDF of the poem. पोएम 3 दैट इज मैक्विटी द मिस्ट्री कैट. राइट, आपने मैक्विटी नाम की कैट के बारे में पढ़ा था जो बहुत ही रहस्यमय बिल्ला था. दैट इज वाज अ मिस्ट्री कैट. So starting with the PDF, first of all we will see the word meanings. Word meanings, that is first is defy. डिफाई का मतलब होता है डिसोबे करना, किसी की बात को ना मानना. लाइक आपको कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस दिए जाते हैं, अगर आप उनको नहीं मान रहे तो यू आर डिसओबेइंग इट, आप उसको डिसोबे कर रहे हो. सेकेंड इज स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड. स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड एक हेडक्वार्टर है ऑफ द लंदन पुलिस फोर्स. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं ना पुलिस थाने, इंडियन पुलिस, बीकानेर पुलिस, राजस्थान पुलिस, ऐसे जो लंदन की जो पुलिस फोर्स है ना उसके हेडक्वार्टर को क्या बोलते हैं? इट इज नोन एज स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड. Then comes the flying squad. Flying squad क्या होती है? The group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. एक ग्रुप होता है ऑफ द पुलिस या फिर सोल्जर्स जो बिल्कुल रेडी होते हैं कि जितना क्विकली उनको ऑर्डर मिले वो उतना क्विकली दे मूव इनटू एक्शन. That is known as flying squad. Then comes levitation. Levitation क्या है? Floating in the air without support. बिना किसी सपोर्ट के एयर में फ्लोट करना, दैट इज लेविटेशन. मतलब जब आपका फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन फिनिश हो जाता है, दैट इज आप लेविटेशन में आ जाते हो. यू फ्लोट इन द एयर विदाउट द सपोर्ट. फाइंड. फाइंड इज अ डेविल. जब हमने बात की थी व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट मैक्विटी एज अ, हमने बोला था वो एक जायंट की तरह है, एक मॉन्स्टर की तरह है. दैट टाइम वी यूज द वर्ड फाइंड, दैट इज डेविल, राक्षस हो जाता है एक तरह से. Feline. Feline is of or related to a cat. Somewhat a kind of a word that is related to a cat. Then is depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. Morally जब आपकी values corrupt हो जाती है ना, that word is known as depravity. Fine. So these were the most important 7 word meanings clearly explained to you. Now we'll move to the second part, that is working with the poem. In this, we'll do some question answers, and the first question is read the first stanza and think. First stanza को पढ़ो और सोचो. हमने first stanza yesterday we did it, so just think about the question. You can answer it. Is Macvity a cat really? क्या real में Macvity एक cat थी? Yes or no? So the answer is no. Macvity is not a real cat. Macvity एक real cat नहीं है. Okay, so the reasoning is being asked in the next question, that is if not, who can Macvity be? अगर वो real cat नहीं है तो Macvity क्या हो सकती है? Macvity can be an imaginary character of the poet. Macvity क्या है? एक imaginary character है of the poet, and it can be a mystery cat. और वो क्या होगी? It can be a mystery cat. वो एक mystery cat है, वो एक रहस्यमय बिल्ला है. So Macvity can be an imaginary character, and in an imaginary character it can be a mystery cat. Fine. Moving to the question number 2, that is complete the following sentences. We have some sentences given half and we have to complete it. That is, the first one is given is a master criminal is one who. यहाँ तक हमें given है and we have to complete it. So we completed can defy the law. So master criminal कौन होता है? Who can defy the law, जो law को defy करता है. Second is the Scotland Yard is baffled because. So till here it is already given Scotland Yard is baffled because. After because completed, when they reach the scene of crime they cannot find Macvity. कि जब वो crime के scene पे पहुंचते हैं तो उन्हें Macvity वहां नहीं मिलता. Never Macvity is found at the scene of crime. Third, nobody can catch Macvity at the scene of the crime because Macvity moves faster than them. So because Macvity moves faster than that is given to us and we completed that. कोई भी Macvity को catch नहीं कर सकता at the scene of crime. क्यों? क्योंकि Macvity बहुत ही faster move करती है than the persons who are in action to catch Macvity. Okay, so clear to you, and now we will move to the third question, that is listen to the statement carefully. A cat, I am sure, could walk on the cloud with coming through. A cat, I am sure, could walk on the cloud without coming through, given by Jules Verne. So according to this line, question is asked, that is, which law is McVitie breaking in the light of comment above? ये जो above given comment है उसकी reference में अगर हम देखें तो which law is McVitie breaking? McVitie कौन सा law break कर रही है? McVitie is breaking the law of gravity. McVitie एक gravity का law break कर रही है because of his power of levitation. क्योंकि उसके पास में air में float होने की एक power है, and that is why with that power, because of that power, McVitie is breaking the law of gravity. Fine. So question number 4, read the stanza 3 and then describe McVitie in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Stanza 3 पढ़ो, उसमें McVitie के कुछ characters given हैं, तो उसकी base पे आप अपने 2-3 अपने sentences पे McVitie को describe करोगे. So McVitie is a tall, thin and domed head ginger cat in dusty coat. McVitie क्या है? Is a tall, is a thin and is a domed head ginger cat in dusty coat. ओके, मैक्विटी की जो आईज है ना, ही हैज संकन आईज, उसकी संकन अंदर धसी हुई आंखें हैं, उसकी लाइन ब्राउज, उसकी जो आईब्राउज है वो लाइंड है, एंड अनकोम्ड विस्कर्स, और उसके जो विस्कर्स है ना वो बिल्कुल अनकोम्ड है. ही स्वेज हिज हेड लाइक अ स्नेक, एंड मैक्विटी अपने हेड को कैसे स्वे कर रही है? जस्ट लाइक द हेड ऑफ द स्नेक. So these were the basic features of McVitie that we can find out from the stanza 3 कि McVitie tall है, McVitie thin है, McVitie का head domed shaped है, McVitie एक ginger cat है in a dusty coat, उसकी eyes sunken in है and उसके lined brows है और whiskers uncombed है, and वो अपने head को कैसे sway करती है? Just like the head of the snake, just like the snake we can say. Now question number 5 is state true or false for each of the following statement. कुछ statements है, आपको उसके लिए either you have to say true or you have to say false. So McVitie is not an ordinary cat. McVitie एक ordinary cat नहीं है. Is it true or false? It is true. McVitie cannot do what a fakir can do easily. जो एक फकीर easily कर सकता है, McVitie वैसा नहीं कर सकती. तो answer is false. McVitie has supernatural powers. McVitie के पास कुछ supernatural powers है? Yes. So the statement is true. McVitie is well dressed, smart and bright. McVitie बहुत well dressed है, बहुत smart and bright है. Is it true? No, it is false. McVitie is a spy, a trickster and a criminal all rolled in one. This statement is true. जहाँ criminal आ गया वहाँ पे McVitie है. So McVitie एक spy है, एक trickster है, एक criminal है, all rolled in one character, that is McVitie. It is true. Yes, it is true. Okay, so true and false are clear to you. Now we will move to the 6th question, that is, having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. आप इस poem को आपने पढ़ लिया. Now try to guess, आपको सिर्फ guess करना है that जो poet जिन्होंने इसको लिखा है, is he fond of cats? If so, why does he call McVitie a find and a monster? अगर वो सच में बहुत ही crazy है, fond है उसको लेकर के cats को, तो फिर वो McVitie को एक find या फिर एक monster क्यों कह रहे हैं? The poet is fond of cats even if he calls McVitie a find and a monster. So the answer goes like this, that yes, poet is fond of cats. Even though वो McVitie को एक find बोल रहा है, एक monster बोल रहा है, एक giant बोल रहा है, तो भी he is fond of cats. The reason क्या है? That he is a master criminal who defies and breaks human and natural laws. That McVitie जो है वो एक master criminal है जो disobey करती है and break करती है human and natural laws को. He is utterly depraved. वो बिल्कुल ही depraved है. He misuses his power of levitation. उसके पास में जो levitation का power है air में float होने का, वो उसको misuse करती है. So the powers जो हमारे पास होती है हमें उन्हें use करना चाहिए for a proper thing, not for misusing them. His physical features are frightening too. और McVitie के जो physical features है ना वो भी बहुत frightening है. Even instead of all these things, we can say yes, the poet is fond of cats, even though he calls McVitie a find and a monster. Now we come to the last question that is, has the poet used exaggeration for special effects? क्या poet ने special effects देने के लिए कुछ exaggerations use किए हैं यहाँ पे? Find a few examples of it. हमें book में से ही कुछ examples देने हैं and read those lines aloud and just read those lines aloud. ये as it is lines हैं जो आपको उसमें से learn करनी है because ये वो instances हैं, ये वो lines हैं that are from the poem and that you have to put as an answer of this question. So firstly the question is, has the poet used exaggeration for special effects? Yes or no? So the answer is yes. So yes, the poet has used exaggeration for special effects and following are its examples. और examples क्या हैं? So there are 4 lines given as an example to it. The first is, he has broken every human law and breaks the law of gravity. That Macquity ने हर human law को break किया है and as well as उसने law of gravity को भी break किया है. Second example is, his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. कि उसका power of levitation जो है ना, floating in the air, उसको तो एक फकीर भी stare करता रह जाएगा. Third one is, he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. वो Scotland Yard के लिए एक bafflement एक puzzle है and flying squad के लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ी निराशा है, is a despair because whenever they reach to the scene of crime to catch Macquity, they are never able to find Macquity at the scene over there. So it's a bafflement for the Scotland Yard as well as despair for the flying squad. Last example is, for he is a fine and a feline shape, a monster of depravity. Because वो एक राक्षस है, we can say, वो एक monster है, एक giant है, जो क्या है, of a depravity, means that is breaking all the laws, not following any kind of rules in life, कुछ भी नहीं, and creating crimes all around, and whenever a person reaches at the scene of a crime, Macquity is not found over there. So Macquity क्या है, एक cat shaped, can be said that वो cat shaped एक giant है, cat shaped एक monster है, एक राक्षस है. It can be said so. ऐसा हमारे poet ने कहा है. So वो एक monster की form में है, a find in a feline shape a monster. So they of depravity. So these are the examples कि हम बोल सकते हैं, yes, with this help of example it can be said, yes, the poet has used exaggeration for the special effect in the poem. So with this we can say आपका जो PDF है इस chapter का, it is complete. The poem is well explained to you. PDF, question, answer, word meanings all are well explained to you. So what you have to do, you have to study them nicely. So we'll be meeting in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe.